Today, the Bancor team announced major changes to the Bancor platform and the BNT token with the goal of adding more liquidity to the network, bringing more developers to build on the Bancor protocol, and bringing more community governance by taking the governance of the BNT token system and putting it in the hands of the token holders. I have the exclusive update for you here right now, so don't go anywhere. I'm Rob from Cypherglass, and today I want to go over these major BNT changes, how they affect you as a BNT token holder, and how it will impact the Bancor platform moving forward. First up, with the goal of incentivizing and adding more network liquidity for so many different tokens that Bancor supports, the Bancor team has announced that they will take the underlying Ethereum reserves that currently back the BNT token and distribute those reserves to all BNT token holders. This is a combined $2.5 million worth of Ethereum that will be distributed to BNT token holders in the near future, and it applies to those that hold BNT on Ethereum as well as those that hold BNT on EOS. Now, shortly after this is done, BNT will be converted into an inflationary token and have a different purpose on the Bancor network. In addition, the Bancor Foundation announced a new grants program with the goal at further decentralizing the community and the governance which backs the Bancor protocol. It's pretty exciting and should fund some exciting developments like the PEG stablecoin that is out right now. These initial grants have been appointed and given out by the Bancor Foundation, but future grants will actually be decided and voted on by BNT token holders. This is part of the new purpose of the BNT token and an attempt at decentralizing that community further. It's kind of like having a DAO or a worker proposal fund on the Bancor network to incentivize more developers to actually build products that integrate with Bancor in some way. Now, what's so interesting about this entire announcement is that they really are decentralizing control of the platform into the hands of BNT token holders. Now, like I mentioned towards the beginning of this video, the Bancor token, once those underlying Ethereum reserves are distributed to BNT token holders, will be converted to an inflationary token, but the current inflation rate at that point will be set to 0%, and it will be up to the BNT token holders to vote on what that inflation rate should be. Even further, BNT token holders will have the ability to allocate that BNT inflation to different projects to sort of deepen liquidity on the network and determine which tokens they want to add more liquidity to and which ones they want to leave with the current liquidity pools. All of this is super exciting and adds to the promise of Bancor of being this decentralized liquidity network that now, after these changes are implemented and finalized, will truly be run and governed by the BNT token holders. It's super exciting, and a huge congratulations to the entire Bancor team for making this happen and continuing to deliver on their promises that they made so long ago. Until next time, I'm Rob from Cypherglass, and remember, go EOS!